In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the site style on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to refresh your website's look or just starting out and want to ensure your site matches your brand, Squarespace offers a variety of customizable options to help you create a beautiful online presence. Let's dive into the process, which can be done in just about 5 minutes. First things first, head over to the Squarespace website. It's where all the magic begins. Once there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on the login button to proceed. Squarespace offers a seamless integration with Google, making it convenient for you to access your account, so the next step is to click on Continue with Google. You'll be presented with a list of your Google accounts. Select the Google account you've used to sign up for Squarespace, or the one you prefer to use. It's important to choose the account associated with your Squarespace site to avoid any login issues. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your website. If you have multiple sites under your account, make sure to select the correct one you wish to update. Once inside your site's dashboard, we're going to focus on adjusting its style. Next, find the Styles section. This is where Squarespace houses all its design elements and theme choices for your site. Depending on your Squarespace version or template, the exact wording might slightly differ, but look for anything under the Design or Style menu. Within the Styles area, you'll see an option labelled Themes. This is your gateway to exploring different aesthetics for your site. Click on Themes to unveil Squarespace's gallery of design possibilities. Now take a moment to browse through the available site styles. Whether you're looking for something sleek and modern, or more traditional and elegant, there's likely a theme that matches what you're envisioning. Once you've found a style that resonates with your brand and personal taste, select it. It's exciting to see how quick and easy it is to transform the look of your site with just a few clicks. Finally, after choosing your new site style, don't forget to click on Save. This is a crucial step as it ensures all your changes are applied and visible to anyone who visits your site. And that's it. You've successfully updated your site's style on Squarespace. Feel free to play around with different themes until you find the perfect one. Remember, your website is often the first impression people have of your brand, so make sure it accurately reflects who you are and what you stand for. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope it was helpful in making your Squarespace site even more beautiful and uniquely yours.